Why Steve Jobs always hated a 20-slide presentation and just loved 1 or 2 slides of keywords and key images of mind mapping. It has to be an extremely powerful tool to achieve what you want to achieve in your life. Hi, my name is Saurav Patil. I'm 23 years old, engineer, entrepreneur and trainer. 2 years ago, I wrote something on a piece of paper that one day I'll be doing this. And today, I'm living that kind of life. Many people, even my friends, keep asking me, what do I do? How do I do? But nobody ever asks me, why am I doing this? Money? Of course, money has to be a priority. But at the same time, you have to be honest to yourself. Now, let me put it in this way. We all know that it takes 21 days to develop a particular habit. Sounds simple, but come on, we all know that it's not as easy as sipping a coffee. Well, early morning jogging? Can't see it's raining. Late night chatting, Netflix and chill, social media, slow reading, rather reading in a wrong way. And all of these excuses only bring poor concentration, inefficiency at work even for corporate people, and feeding unnecessary information to your brain. Many students I have met who are preparing for various entrance exams like IIT, JEE, UPSC are still taking notes in a traditional way. It's not their fault. Of course, they have all the knowledge, but nobody taught them how to remember the notes and how to effectively read a book. The most powerful thing in this universe is your brain. If you can control it, you can achieve all your goals effortlessly. Why Steve Jobs always hated a 20-slide presentation and just loved only 1 or 2 slides of keywords and key images of mind mapping? It has to be an extremely powerful tool which you have to learn, practice. And that's where Vanallen comes into the picture. Vanallen is a 6-hour training program for everyone from students to businessmen to creative people to vivid reader, every single person who want to lay down the plan for their life. A platform where I am going to explore speed reading, which will increase your current reading speed by 5x times, mind mapping and creative techniques in a very unique, interesting and effective way, which I am practicing for years now. 6 hours and that's it? What if we stop practicing? Don't worry. For that, we have a special 6 days of free follow plan where I'm going to personally support you to make your own mind maps, examine your new and improved reading skill, your memorizing power and many more. Register now and make a better change in your life. And one more exciting news. If you are a student, you got flat 50% discount. What's stopping you now? Nobody owes you anything. Invest in yourself. See you there. Where? On Zoom on 27th October 2020 from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m.
For registrations and early bird discount, reach out to us at